Okay, everybody. Today's video is about these dogs. Me and my friend are trying to eat our apples, and we are just eating it.
Stinky,
and
like,
then all
like diarrhea.
these two dogs, Rizzo and Zoe. This is my friend Alana. They're her dogs, and
Yeah,
she
they're my
has her
doggies.
own channel.
Yeah, it's called the Cannons, or you could look up Aaron Cannon,
Spelled.
ARAHN CANNON.
So, yeah. And
Also, you go to this channel. It is called Lunar Vision.
Okay, so we might put that down below in the comments so that you can know if you don't want to watch this video. And so these dogs, they're very big, and so
I'll give you
here,
one.
this is Rizzo, the all black one. Yeah, say hi. This is Zoe, and they're trying to eat it. Those dogs
I gave him a bite of it though.
These dogs have probably
No, make a sound.
apple like 5 times. So,
Hi, baby.
yeah. So, yeah. We might play Spot It.
It's a nice game to play. Two people game.
Yeah. It's really fun.
It's a boop 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 boop.
Yeah.
You're
I
so
am
cute,
wearing
baby.
actual glasses.
Bro!
This dog, Zoe, just
That
went for
dog.
my
She
apple.
said she got a big one booty.
Yeah. You are a bad dog.
Roar.
Zoe, you are a bad dog. No
She said,
eating
"Roar,
my
I'm a
apple.
lion, I'm a lion. I'm a
No
lion.
eating my apple. No.
You get the little paw paw?
This,
Yeah.
look,
I
those
love you.
bites right there, that's from the dog.
That's crazy.
Those bites. So,
She said, "Do you love
I'll
me?"
have
I
to
tell
drop
her, "Only
this apple now.
Polly, I only love my bed,
Dad.
my mama. I'm sorry."
But
Shh,
that's
to
just
make a
gonna
sound.
have to happen.
Shoo, shoo.
So, yeah.
Rock it like a. Oh my gosh,
That's my
Annie, really? That's a
sunglasses.
so cute picture though.
They
That's a very cute picture. Oh, look at
They're
Annie
actually
holding
glasses.
Piper.
Look.
Look at Annie holding Piper. She's so Piper's so cute. Wait. I think that's Piper. Wait, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe
Well,
Piper.
it's kind of dark, but
Maybe
yeah.
Bella or maybe Gigi.
so
I know it's not Gigi.
so
Gigi's too small.
I
gave you.